Yukon Territory is not one of the major receivers of new immigrants in Canada, but much like the Klondike Gold Rush, which kick-started major settlements in the territory, immigrants keep trooping in their numbers to enjoy the prospect of great economic benefits. Yukon is a region that is always looking and poised towards expansion. Thus the provincial government is always very open to receiving new immigrants who desire to become permanent residents, particularly in the smaller communities surrounding the capital city of Whitehorse. If you are considering to live and work in the Yukon Territory, you are not only brave and far more adventurous than most immigrants who head straight for the big cities like Vancouver and Toronto, but you are also a prospective pioneer opening up the opportunity for an extremely special life experience both for you and your loved ones. If you are ready, let's show you the job opportunities available for immigrants in this province. Welcome back to our channel. Work-Study Visa provide 100% free up-to-date guides to help foreigners like yourself visit, study in, work in Canada or immigrate permanently. Canada is currently the welcoming country in the world and we're excited to assist you come here. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you get first-hand information at no cost. Simply hit the subscribe button, share the video and smash the thumbs up to help promote our work. One more thing. Feel free to ask your question via the comment section and our staff will respond. Now, let's get back to the topic of the day. There are about 42,000 inhabitants in the province of Yukon, of which 25,000 live in the capital city of Whitehorse and its surrounding communities. The Yukon has a rather small population in comparison with the rest of Canada, which is the reason there isn't a massive diversity of opportunities. Notwithstanding, there are many opportunities here. It is first and foremost very important to research the available jobs in the province so as to be confident in your ability to land a job when you arrive, or even better, before your time of arrival. It is also quite important to keep in mind that the workplace culture in Yukon may be a little different from your home country, so you have to do your best to adapt quickly. With regards to where you come from in the world, there will surely be a few things about life in Yukon that you will discover to be very different from that of your home country. For example, there is a 3 to 6 month probationary period in most workplaces in Yukon. This is to equip you and to ensure you are a good fit for the business. It is important you check in regularly with your supervisor to be sure you are meeting expectations. Language requirements in Yukon. It is important that you are able to speak English or French if you desire to live and work in Yukon. Also, note that only 13% of the province can speak French, therefore, the preferred language is English. Be certain your English language proficiency is good, as this will open more opportunities for you. In addition, it will make doing your job a lot easier. How to move to Yukon, Canada. Once you have landed a job offer in Yukon, you can make your application for the permanent residency to Yukon nominee program in either the skilled worker stream assuming your occupation is classified as NOC 0, A, or B, or preferably you can apply to the critical impact worker stream assuming your job is classified as NOC C. You will also find a list of top jobs for new immigrants in Canada right on the description of this video. Thank you for visiting our channel. We hope this topic was helpful. Just before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the like button. You can also visit our website for more resources, check the description below. Thanks for supporting our work.